Hi, everybody. Glenn Rudin from Always Been Creative here to speak to you today again about messaging and branding. One of the concepts that I love to discuss in my Would You Do Business With You seminars is differentiation. Differentiation, that's when you make yourself different so people can understand what's different about you or your business or your product or service versus the other people they can get the same product or service from. When you differentiate, you stand out versus the crowd. It's so important to do, and most people never realize that. They just talk about their businesses in very, very generic terms. The best example I can give you of differentiation that's really easy to understand is in the world of fast food burgers. There's Burger King, and their point of differentiation has always been flame broiled. When you want that flame broiled taste in the mass market, you go to Burger King for that flame broiled taste. That's the way Burger King decided to differentiate themselves from McDonald's and Wendy's and any other big mass market burger players many, many years ago. And they've always stayed with that theme. Yes, they've had other marketing campaigns along the way, some memorable, not so memorable. But over all that time, they've always stuck with flame broiled as their point of differentiation. So when you begin to think about your message in the world of sales and marketing, what is your point of differentiation? How are you going to stand out versus your competitors? The next time you think about doing an elevator pitch or writing something about your product, your service, your business, or even yourself, think about the term differentiation and decide what you're going to talk about that's going to make you stand out versus the other people that do what you do. It's that differentiation that will allow you to break through the clutter. It's that differentiation that will allow you to single yourself out as the one place to get this type of product or service. And that's what's going to get customers' attention and get them coming to you. I look forward to doing more of these quick segments for you on messaging and branding. It's Glenn Rudin from Always Been Creative. Thanks for your time today.